What's good, Lifestyle Game? Back with another video. We got my boy Raekwon right here. I go subscribe to his channel. I go subscribe to that. Right now we at the lot looking for my car. There's a whole lot of Sonatas around here. We already walked up in there, bitch. They acting like they don't know where my car at. Right. I said the darkest car that could be in this whole dealership. Nah, I ain't seen it, bro. Ain't no damn way. Alright. This shit hard. That'd be hard. That'd be clean, bro. I know it go. It's a 2.0 turbo too.
That's green too.
Yeah, that's green too. But yeah, that's on base price is 43,000. That's how much it's going for. 43. 23. That's good.
That's good.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
I know that shit go, bro. I don't know how many horses it got. Where is it? Bro. Hell nah.
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, they got my car right there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's hot as a bitch outside. Here's on my car. Why the hood pop? Oh, cause it's dead. I forgot. Here go the baby right here. I gotta put it on Snap. Damn, my bitch dirty. You gonna get clean when I get you back. See? Hell no, I don't fuck with that. Hell no, they gonna have to fuck no. My shit is open, bro.
Yeah, I said open as fuck.
My shit is open, bro. My shit is open, bro. This one is too. I ain't fucking with that. This motherfucker is dirty though.
Yeah.
Scratch my rims up, bro. Hey, this bitch gonna be going anyway. They fucking scratched my rim right here. I'm making sure. Damage. Bro, look at my fucking rims, bro. This shit so fucking dirty. Bro. This shit's ridiculous. Man, I missed my car. Let me put this junk on Snap right quick.